I welcome all the viewers to the important video on nitrosamine impurities in the pharmaceuticals, the root cause analysis for the origin of these impurities. I have made many videos on this topic, but still I want to make the viewers known about these impurities. I am also learning and I want to share my learnings through these videos. So let's start with the video. Nitrosamine impurities are the impurities which have very stringent limits because these are carcinogenic in nature and these are mutagenic in nature. Nitrosamine impurities are of two types mainly, small nitrosamines and the nitrosamine drug substance related impurities commonly called as NDSRIs. So we need to understand their origin. The origin of nitrosamine impurities can be traced to multiple sources within the pharmaceutical development and the manufacturing processes. These may come from the materials, from the raw materials, from the environment, from the degradation, and many other sources. The source of nitrosamine impurities, materials, raw materials, APIs. So, the use of nitrosetting agents, for example, sodium nitrite, presence of the amine groups, mainly the secondary amines, in the APIs, raw materials, excipients, can be the origin or source of the impurities. Contaminated or recycled solvents, reagents, catalysts, cleaning agents, which may contain the nitrites, can lead to nitrosamine formation. Nitrocellulose in the packaging materials, and the water containing the nitrite and nitrate impurities. These are the sources. Cross contamination from the shared equipments come under the category of methods. Inadequate cleaning methods and ineffective cleaning validation can lead to the nitrosamine presence. Equipments can be the source. Use of improperly cleaned or validated equipment, shared equipment leading to cross contamination. So cleaning and cleaning validation becomes very important when there is a chance of nitrosamine presence due to equipments and the methods. These impurities may come from the environment, packaging and storage conditions that promote nitrosamine formation, then migration of the nitrosamines from packaging materials and use of nitrous oxide in the drying air. Personnel, adequate vendor qualification, lack of awareness or insufficient regulatory compliance training. So if personnel working on the formulation or APIs or products, if they are not well trained, then they cannot control the nitrosamine formation, nitrosamine origin, and nitrosamine introduction into the product, process and design. So if the reaction conditions involve higher pH, acidic conditions and high temperatures, then there is a chance that nitrosamine get formed or the product can get contaminated. Sometimes the chemical structures are prone to the degradation or nitrosation reaction, and that's why can introduce the nitrosamine impurities. Excipients that may induce nitrosamine formation, lack of robust analytical methods, then inadequate control of degradation during the storage. That may be the reason. Sometimes nitrosamine may get formed because of the degradation. NDSRI impurities may also get formed. So nitrosamine contamination of the raw materials may be the source. Interaction of secondary or tertiary amines with the nitrites can be the source. Cross contamination from the equipments and processes can be the source. And degradation of the nitrosamine prone materials may lead to the formation of nitrosamines. Once again, we will see the origin or root cause analysis for the origin for nitrosamine and NDSRI impurities. Materials, use of nitrosetting agents like sodium nitrite, nitrite, secondary amines in the APIs, excipients, raw materials. There may be contaminated recycled solvent use, reagents in the process, cleaning agents with nitrites, nitrocellulose coated packaging foils, water containing nitrite and nitrate. may be responsible for the nitrosamine introduction as a root cause from materials. Another root cause from the methods, cross-contamination from shared equipments, inadequate cleaning methods, ineffective validation may be the source. Equipments, improperly cleaned or improperly validated equipments, shared equipment may lead to contamination. Then these may come from the environmental conditions, packaging storage conditions, migration from the packaging may be as a source for the nitrosamine impurities. Personnel, inadequate vendor qualification, lack of awareness and lack of regulatory training may lead to uncontrolled nitrosamine contamination. Process design, reaction conditions at acidic pH, high temperature conditions, heat conditions, and prone chemical structure may lead to nitrosamine introduction. Lack of robust analytical methods may lead to formation of the nitrosamines. This was the information regarding the root cause analysis for the nitrosamine impurity origin in the pharmaceuticals. Thank you for watching the video, and let's meet soon with such kind of informative video. Thank you.